Sharma and you're watching Not Just Any Review. I hope you're doing well and are staying safe and staying home. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button. If you want to keep receiving notifications for the videos that we come up with, click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We really need your help and support to grow. Netflix recently came up with a series called Alma Matters: The IIT Dream. It's a docu-series, and I had seen the trailer a few days ago and was very excited and pretty intrigued to watch exactly what was going on in the series, because the trailer showcased something like revealing what exactly being in an IIT is, the realities of it, and it's not as glittery and shimmery as they show it to be.
कुछ एस्टोनिशिंग क्रिएट करना है ताकि ऑडियंस देख के आगे बोले कि भाई ये क्या है, कैसे बना है।
गर्ल कांट डू इट, बंदी नहीं कर सकती है यार, ऐसा काम कैसे कर सकती है।
कह रहे सर डेटा 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 डेटा, पागल तो हूँ मैं बहुत।
बस हो गया, जो सांस लेने देना होता है।
लेंस कर 1 to 1 होता है भाई।
So the series released on 14th of May. It has been directed and produced by Prashant Raj, who is also the alumnus of IIT Kharagpur. This particular series talks about IIT Kharagpur in particular and not about all the IITs as a whole, but you'll get the gist of it obviously, because there's not a lot of difference here and there. So this series has 3 episodes. Every episode is about 45 to 55 minutes long, so not a very long series. Ek season hai. I hope they come up with more seasons. And talking about the star cast, the only star-studded cast you'll see is Biswa Kalyan Raj, because he's also the alumnus of IIT Kharagpur. Other than that, this series has been shot with students. So the entire series is about students, and they've captured how their daily lives are and how they behave in certain situations and how they cope up with everything that happens around. So this is something which is very raw and unfiltered and unedited, and there's not a lot of drama and a lot of otherwise kick in it or anything like that. It's very raw and it's very unfiltered, and that is something that you have to love about this series. It's a beautiful series. They show you that all that glitters from the outside is not exactly gold, because I as a person also used to think कि अरे IIT में हो जाएगा तो life set हो जाती है, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं होती है. You get inside an IIT and everything is all roses and strawberries and everything is beautiful. So I used to think that life is like that, because I had my brother go into an IIT. He was also an IIT Kharagpur alumni, and I used to think that life बहुत अच्छी होती है ऐसे लोगों की. You get inside it and आप music सीखते हो, आप ये करते हो, आप वो करते हो. However, I was too small and I did not realize how difficult can life be inside it. I never questioned him. I never questioned anybody. So I thought अरे न्यूज़पेपर में तो दिखाते हैं 2 करोड़ का पैकेज मिल गया, 1 करोड़ का पैकेज मिल गया, सब अच्छा है लाइफ में. However, this particular series tells you and shows you that no, they are humans too, and they also experience difficulties while after getting inside that particular institute. It's not easy. Life is not very easy, and they also have struggles. They also face issues. They also don't want to study. 2 साल 11th 12th में इतना पढ़ते हैं. They study so much. They study so hard that they also want to relax and just let it be. कि कोई बात नहीं पढ़ेंगे and all of that. So they're like every other student that goes into a college. IIT Kharagpur में one thing that I did not get to see is all that pomp and show of a metro city, because Kharagpur is a very small city. क्या ही होगा वहाँ पे. So this series shows you कि आसान नहीं होती है life. It's not very easy, and while it also shows the fun side of being in an IIT, it's so much fun. You enjoy festivals together. You make bonds in 4 years which last for a lifetime and all of that. Other than that, it has also shown you brutal realities of it. So it shows you that not everything is all beautiful, and it's not a bed of roses that you can just sit on. There are struggles. they've shown you the brutal realities कि वहाँ भी लोग suicide करते हैं, वहाँ भी लोग दुखी होते हैं, people are upset over there also, people have their issues, mental health suffers, and maybe they're not able to make friends, or maybe they're not able to get the job that they wanted, or maybe they're not able to get the department that they wanted. So all these struggles are there, and it's been so beautifully captured. I don't think there has been a series who has been able to capture all of this in one go. And if you have notions about IIT, and if you have your stereotype कि अरे IITians ऐसे ही होते हैं, nerds होते हैं, या सिर्फ पढ़ते हैं, all of that, or whatever stereotype you have for it, this is the series that will break it for you. And if you haven't, seen something like that, or if you haven't been in an IIT, you must go and watch it, and it will open your eyes in some way. I definitely want to see more of it, what is happening next, and I want to see कि आगे क्या होगा and all of that. So, and if you are from an IIT, it will bring a lot of memories for you, as it did for a lot of people. I saw a lot of people writing it कि अरे वाह बहुत अच्छा लगा and all of that. So this is a series that is something that shows you the emotional aspect of it. It's very raw, and it's very unfiltered, and it's just out there. As far as ratings are concerned, I will not give this series anything less than 4 stars. It does deserve 4 stars. One thing that I need to mention over here is that please do not skip the intro. The intro is so beautifully made. It's very artistic, and it's very beautiful. So this deserves an applaud. The intro deserves an applaud. Netflix पे skip intro का option होता है, please आप मत करिएगा, because it's so beautiful कि आपको देखना चाहिए. You should. I saw those 3 episodes, and I did not skip the intro once. So it's very beautiful. वो आपको देखना चाहिए. 4 stars from my side. I think it deserves all the love and the attention, and people should watch it, and it will bring a smile on your face. And that's it. That's all for now. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button. If you want to receive notifications on the videos that we come up with, please click on the bell icon. Write in your comments the suggestions that you have for this video or for us. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Please help us and support us in growing.